welcome back to the Nightcap. Tonight we'll be making a Blackberry Sunset, very easy drink. Put this in your online library of the Nightcap. Share, like, subscribe, and we'll get this thing going. So we're going to build it in a shaker with ice. We have already measured 4 ounces of orange juice. So we'll just put 4 ounces of orange juice in the shaker with ice. Now we'll go ahead and measure 2 ounces of Crown Royal Blackberry. This thing is, for a while there, it was tough to get off the shelves there. A lot of people are getting it. So get your hands on it. Lots of cool drinks, good flavor. This one's quite delicious with the fruit of the blackberry and the orange juice kind of going together. So again, we got 2 ounces of the Crown Royal Blackberry in there. Now we're going to go ahead and top this up and give her a shake. All right, chips. All right. Got that shaken. Here's our nightcap glass with the ice on it. And we just put on top of that ice blackberry orange flavor. Yeah, it's like that. And if we're going to give you a tip, we're going to give you a tip. So we'll go ahead and garnish this. Orange. Blackberry. She's a Butte Clark.